In this video, I'm gonna teach a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3100 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a new window would appear here this window. Please navigate to the Open to continue. So you will be directed to the Google Chrome. The moment you've clicked on it, all you need to do is you need to proceed to the search bar and type for Epson L3100 driver. Then hit the enter key the moment you have typed it. And then that way you would be redirected to the result. All you need to do is you need to select any of this link. Okay. Anyway, they have similar, they are the same. So all you need to do is you need to click any of that. So in a few moments, you would be redirected here. All you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list, click on this downloads to refresh the page, and wait until the specific file or the printer driver would be available for us where we can download it. So from here, it will automatically detect your operating system. All you need to do is you need to navigate with the drivers and please scroll down and proceed to the printer driver. Click on this download option aligning to it and a new window or a new tab would be appearing. Click on accept to agree on the license agreement and click on the skip to continue on the or to proceed on the downloading process. So this might take some time. It will depend on the speed of the internet or the Wi-Fi that you have been connecting to as of the moment. But all you need to do is you need to wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from that, please make a right click and click on this cut icon. Close the window as well as this one, and from here, please make a right click again. But this time you need to click on this paste icon. So we need to extract the file, so you can double tap to extract it, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract or unzip the file. So please proceed on this one, click on extract to, and wait until it would be finished. So once a file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then we need to navigate to the button search bar here and type for settings. Now, once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Okay. All you need to do is you need to proceed with this one. It's not shown in the best match. It's shown in the apps. Okay. All you need to do is you need to click on this forward arrow and click on open. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of options. All you need to do is you need to navigate with the option called the Bluetooth and devices. And from here, please navigate to the printers and scanners and click on add a device. So click on it and wait until you would be proceeded to the manual installation of our printer driver. Click on add manually. And the moment you've clicked on it, you need to wait until this kind of window would appear. Go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. So click on next. Go with have this. Click on go with the desktop since our extracted file has been placed there. Double tap to it. Double tap once again. Double tap and it will show you the driver here. Just select any of this, go with open, click on OK, and it will show up the Epson L3110. So it will be showing L3110 here, but don't worry because L3110 works with L3100 as well. So click on it and you can rename this. Okay, just renamed it, then click on next and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done. It will only take less than a minute or more than that. It would depend on the machine, but please wait until this would be finished since we're almost there. So if you would allow for printer sharing, you can check on this one. And if you don't want to, you can check the other one. So click on next and click on finish, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3100 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.